remember this melody. It goes.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a Smith & haul. So yeah, before this also I have done 2 to 3 Smith & hauls on my channel, and these are the most liked videos on my channel. So here I am with another video. So Smith & if you want to know about Smith & I have a complete dedicated review, so you can check that. I'll leave in the description. So from that you'll know the meaning of Smith & what Smith & app is and how it works. So I'll just give you a gist that you get 6 trial points in 199 rupees shipping, and you get 6 products in that. Like each product is for 1 trial point, or sometimes it is 2 or 3 trial points as well, so that you can choose accordingly. And in that, like, you get 169 rupees refunded in your wallet, and in 33 rupees you get mainly 6 products, different products from different categories. It ranges from makeup to skincare to like grooming, men, women, kids, everything from hair to body to nails to everything at all. Like it includes everything. So this time the products that I've ordered, let's have a look. So the first thing that I got, that was a free gift. It was the offer going on that if you order trials worth 199 you get a free pouch from Smith & So this is how the pouch looks like. This is the size of the pouch. As you can see, I have kept all the products in here. So this pouch is our free product and our first product, I would say. So after that, free another gift I got, that is the 5 packets of this Skittles. So Skittles is the original Skittles, 9 grams. So I got 5 packets and 4 I already finished because I liked it so much. So this I have kept to show you. So this is the second free product. So 2 free products I got this time because there was some offer. So I keep you updated with the offers on my Instagram, so you can follow me there as well. So the next thing, like the first thing that I ordered, like these are trial sizes, keep in mind you have to check the quantity before ordering. So this is the onion hair mask by Mamaearth. So Mamaearth products I have tried all from Smith & only, different types. Like all the products were available once on Smith & so I tried out. So this is their another product like onion hair mask. So I've heard good reviews about it. So like the full size is around 599, so why to try out that one? So instead I'll try this. This lasts me for one time, like for hair spa. So I'll just open it for you. Yeah, the sizes and all like differ. So this size is 25 ml I feel. Yeah, so there is all the details mentioned, and the price of itself, this product is 99 mentioned over here. So this is how it looks like. It is enough for one time use, like for your lens. So as I'll use it, I'll review it as well. So this is the first product. Then the next product that I have is for men's, like this is a gift for someone. So this is the 1.8 pure like EDT. It is 18 ml. So this is our second product and it smells divine. Like if you want to give to your men, so this is the one. And it's pocket size perfume, so best. Then I have this Biotique watercress conditioners. This says that it's 100% Ayurvedic. So Biotique is a very good Indian brand, so I wanted to try out their product. So this is also sample size 25 ml and it comes in this bottle. Like it's very good for traveling if you're looking for a good small conditioner. So the next product too we have are from Plum. So one is the Plum Clarity Night Gel. So I wanted to try it from a long time. This is for night gel to repair your skin during the night. And the next thing is the White Tea and Chamomile Sheer Matte Day Cream. So this has SPF like 50. This is kind of a sunscreen like from Plum. So Plum products are very good. I use their alcohol-free toner and their face wash like a lot, green tea range. So this is from the White Tea and Chamomile range, and this is also from the green tea range. So I am looking forward to try out these 2 products. So yeah, those were my last products. Like you can see the pouch, the quality. So there's no compromise with any quality or as such. Like products are 100% original from original brands. So we have a mask, hair mask, 2 creams from Plum. Then we have a conditioner. We have these 5 packets. And then we have this 1.8 perfume and a pouch. So this all costed me only rupees 33. So To know more about Smithan, please check my video given below. And if you like this video, then do like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions regarding Smithan, comment in the comment section. So I'll give you the answers. Till then, see you. Bye. Take care.